Okay, hey, so I'm gonna explain what to do to separate the audio so that you can put your voice narration in. So when you start, it'll either look like this, where you have a separate audio and recording, or you might just have like one recording thing. So if you have a one recording thing, you just press this and you'll be able to separate audio and video, and you just press that and they'll separate. So once you have the audio and separate from the video, then you go to the point where you want to separate it. So for me, it's here, and you just click on the audio, and then you press the split button right here. And then
like this.
So she's saying,
Like to look like this.
so she said, would you like to look like this? And I want to say, would you like to look at my app poster? So I'll delete that. You can just literally press backspace on it after you do it. And then you go to the starting point for it. And then you go to voice narration. And you press start voice recording. And I'm going to say, so she said, hello, would you like, and I'll say to look at my app poster. Okay. To look at my app poster. And it's going to take a little bit to play around with it and like get the timing right.
Would you like to
look at my app poster? So there's a little bit of silence, so you can cut this as well. Just make sure you have just this highlighted when you're cutting, so it'll only cut the sound. So it looks like it starts about here. So we'll split it. So look at my app poster, and I might do it again and do it a little louder, just so it's more clear, but it's just so you get an idea. And then you just look at my app poster. Play around with it a little bit until you can get it. And you can also just press S to split as well, by the way. But yeah, just play around with it to get it to be the right size.
Would you like to
look at my app? Okay, so you gotta play around with a little bit. I'll have to figure out the exact wording because I didn't really practice. But then when you have it the right timing and everything, you put it back in. And I'll just do this so you can see. Let me do that. Oh yeah, and that I think that makes the volume louder.
Would you like to
my app post? Yeah, so if you click on it and you see the little like up and down that way arrow, you can drag that down and up to change the volume if you want it louder or quieter in the film. Okay, well, you get the picture. So normally it would be like, it would fit, and you want it to fit exactly like, you want this to be like that. So you want them to fit like perfectly so that when you do it,
would you like to
my app poster, it goes exactly with the sound. So I think you guys got it all. I'm not sure yet how to put the images on the video. I'm gonna have to look that up in a minute. Maybe do that tomorrow. But you guys can go ahead and do the voice narration.